Good morning. My name is Chandrakant Shakya and I have done my schooling from Chandigarh, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Thereafter, I did a job in TCS. I started my career in networking and I worked in Samsung for 2 years. Currently, I'm working as a CTP in QMAP since March 21. I did my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering in 2009. My name is Chandrakant Shakya. So let's start with the introduction of trigonometry, basic of trigonometry, Pythagoras theorem, problems, we'll solve some problem, finding in missing side, length of the side, and then concept of SOH, CAH, TOH, TOA, and identities in trigonometry, application of trigonometry like elevation problem and quadrants. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study relationship between side lengths and angles of triangles. The three basic trig functions are the sine, cosine, tangents function. Based on these three functions, the other three functions that are cotangent, secant, and cosecant are derived. All the trigonometrical functions concepts are based on these functions only. So we start with the basic, like we'll take an example of a vertex and an angle is raising with the initial side A and terminal side B. So there is an angle in between and we'll make a right angle triangle in between. Like we'll take a Pythagoras theorem in it because Pythagoras theorem is only applied to a right angle triangle. So there are theta angle is provided with the adjacent side and opposite side will be there and hypotenuse will be there. So the relation between these sides will be called as a Pythagoras theorem, which is c square is equal to a square plus b square. So the Pythagoras theorem is a mathematical law that states the sum of square of the length of the two short sides of the right triangle is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. And a square plus b square is c square. The Pythagoras theorem is algebraically written as a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square is equal to c square. C is a hypotenuse in the right angle triangle, and whereas A and B are the legs, other legs. Hence, any triangle with one angle equal to 90 degree will be able to produce Pythagoras triangle. So it's a problem with a right angle triangle and theta angle is given, two sides are given 15 and 25. 25 is hypotenuse, 15 is adjacent side. We need to find here a missing side and we can find using shortcut, which is like we can use 3, 4, 5 is already a Pythagoras triangle, and 15 will come out when 5 is multiplied with 3, and 25 will come out when 5 is multiplied with 5, and 4 will come out then 5 is 20 will come out. 20 will come out when 4 is multiplied with 5. So this way we can find other side, find the missing side. And there are other examples as well of Pythagoras triangles like 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17. Let's take an example of a triangle 14, 50 as a side given and a theta is given. It's a right angle triangle and we need to find the third side. How will you do it? We'll take these triangles as example and we'll find 14 is a 14 is a multiple of 7. 7 into 2 is 40. 25 into 2 is 50. So third side will come 24 into 2, 48. So the concept of SOH, CAH, TOH, what is it? Like sine, cos, tan. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is opposite upon adjacent. So there are few identities in trigonometry. We'll start with sine square theta plus cos square theta will give you 1. And the same will be derived like tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. The derivation is given over here. Like when we divide the expression with cos square theta, the expression is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It will give you tan square theta plus 1 plus equal to sec square theta. And when we divide the same expression with sine square theta, it will give you 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. And there are a few more identities like tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta, and the sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, cosec theta equal to 1 upon sine theta, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. There are complementary angles as well.